Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's continue our subject or our course today. Today I will continue about our subject. We discuss about coherence, cohesion, and unity in the paragraph writing. So this material is as a part of the meeting 15 in basic writing course. How do you write a good paragraph? Okay, so in order to write a good paragraph, the writers or the author should be know about three uh, common aspect or three important aspects in paragraph writing. Okay, for the first, coherence, cohesion, and unity. And in order to write a good organization in a paragraph, you have to know that the topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. I think you have learned about all of the materials in the previous meeting. Okay, coherence may be defined as all of the ideas in the paragraph flow smoothly. What the meaning of smoothly? Artinya itu dia antara satu ide dengan ide yang lain itu berkoneksi dan berkesinambungan from one sentence to the next sentence. With coherence, the reader has an easy time understanding the ideas that you wish to express. The purpose of the author is when he or she write a text, the reader is easy to know and to find what the aim of the author or the author aims. Okay, jadi tujuan dari penulis ketika menulis suatu teks adalah bagaimana ideas yang ada, ide atau informasi yang ditulis di dalam suatu teks dapat dipahami, is easily to be read, easy atau mudah dibaca, and easy to be understood, gampang dipahami oleh baca. Okay, so for the first look the example. Okay, my hometown is the famous several amazing natural feature. First is noted the Western River, which is very wide and beautiful. Okay, if you see there is the word in bold, okay, like the first, this river, this second, this and this one, this is the part of the coherence. In order to make the transition between one sentence to another sentence is smoothly. Jadi kalau kalian lihat huruf-huruf atau frasa yang dihitamin ini, ditebalin, adalah tujuannya agar supaya penulis gampang untuk mengikuti ide atau mengikuti cerita yang ada di dalam suatu teks. Yang kedua, untuk membuat transisi antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat yang lain di dalam satu paragraf itu gampang diikutin. Oke. Ada first, ada second, and the third. Itu ya, pertama dia menjelasin dulu tentang the place of his hometown. Baru yang kedua ini tentang penjelasan daripada atau compliment atau other information about his hometown dan sebagainya. Okay, this is the as example of the coherence. Okay, and the next is narrative paragraphs and chronological orderings. Okay, I think you have learned about narrative paragraphs, and you have already written the sample of narrative paragraphs and as well as the descriptive paragraphs. I think you know the differences between narrative paragraphs and descriptive paragraphs. Okay, we talk about. Okay, so cohesion is all supporting sentence connect to each other to the topic sentence. Okay, cohesion itu hampir artinya itu jika dia coherence adalah menghubungkan suatu kalimat dengan kalimat yang lain. Okay, dalam satu paragraf secara smoothly, artinya secara berkesinambungan, secara lembut dan sebagainya. Nah, jadi cohesion ini adalah semua kalimat itu dia mensupport satu sama lain menggunakan cohesive device. Apa itu cohesive device? Yang pernah saya ajarin sama kalian, I ever taught you in the previous meeting about the using of and, but, when, so, in addition, and before. Okay, or I call as a transition signal. Oke, itu dia as a part of cohesion device. Baru terakhir ada ya unity. Paragraphs unity means that one paragraph is about only one main topic. Okay, that is all the sentence, the topic supporting sentence, the detailed sentence, and sometimes the concluding sentence. All telling the reader about one main topic. If your paragraph contains a sentence or some sentences that are not related to main topic, then it is not called unity. Jadi unity itu artinya kesatuan. For example, if you write about the text that describe about maybe your hometown, maybe about yourself, it means that the information or the second sentence or the concluding sentence is discussing about your hometown or yourself. Okay, but if you write yourself, or if you want to describe yourself, but in the other sentence, on the second sentence you write about the other, or your write about your friend, it is not unity. Okay, so in conclusion, coherence, cohesion, and unity are the basic elements or the basic part of the writing, especially in paragraph writing, in order to make the text is easily to be read by readers. Okay, I dismiss this meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.